Today's topic for discussion is family Annonaceae. Let us see the description of the plants of family Annonaceae. It is a very common family and plants of this Annonaceae are very common in tropical as well as temperate regions of the world. Habit and habitat of plants. Most of the plants of this family are mesophytes that requires moderate amount of water. Some are shrubs, that means small trees, and few are trees. Okay. Plants are aromatic. This is a characteristic feature of several plants of family Annonaceae. Aromatic plants. Example, Annonaceae. And one plant of this family, that is Artabotris, it is a hook climber. Okay. Let us see how is the root of plants of family Annonaceae. It is a dicot plant. Root is branched and taproot system. How is the stem? Stem is cylindrical, woody, solid, branched, and stem surface is smooth with many glands, many aromatic glands. Okay. Next, how is the leaf? The leaf shown in the photograph, it is the leaf of Annonaceae. And in most of the plants of this family Annonaceae, leaves are arranged in alternate manner. Alternate phyllotaxy occurs in most of the plants of Annonaceae. Leaves are exstipulate. Stipule is absent at the base of the leaf. Hence the leaf is described as exstipulate. Most of the plants, I think near about all the plants of family Annonaceae, that they are having petiolate leaves. Leaf is having stalk-like structure, petiole is present. And leaf is simple. Simple leaf means it has only petiole and lamina is present. Such leaf is described as simple. Venation is pinnately reticulate. Reticulate venation occurs in the leaves. Leaf margin is entire. In most of the plants of this family, leaf margin is entire. It is in continuation. And the base of the annona leaf, it is attenuate and apex is acute, as shown in the photograph. Stipule is absent. When the stipule is absent, it is described as exstipulate. And in stipule is absent in Annonaceae. But in Polyanthea, wavy leaf margin occurs. Margin of the leaf is wavy. And Annona leaf possesses aromatic glands. Okay, these are the characteristic features of plant of family Annonaceae. This is the leaf of Ashoka. Next, inflorescence. Inflorescence is solitary type. It may be terminal or leaf opposed. In Polyanthea, fascicles of flower occur on odd wood-like wood. Such type of inflorescence is described as cauliflorous inflorescence. And the peduncle means stalk of the flowering shoot of plant, that is known as peduncle. Peduncle is hook-like in Artabotris plant. Artabotris, it is the name of the plant. And photo here it is given is the inflorescence of Annonaceae. Next, this is, let us see the flower of family Annonaceae. Flowers, color of flower in Annona is green. Color of flower in Eupomacia is yellowish green. Flowers mostly bracteate, bract is present. Actinomorphic, that means symmetrical flower. And trimerous, 3 petals are present. Trimerous flowers are present. Bisexual, that means Androecium and Gynoecium both are present in flowers of most of the plants of family Annonaceae. And it is hemicyclic. Flowers are usually hypogynous. That means ovary superior. Perigynous flowers occur in Eupomacia. It is the name of plant. Eupomacia type of plant that occurs in Australia. Okay, photograph it is given. Flower, it is the flower of Annonaceae squamosa. Next, let us see the calyx of family Annonaceae. Number of sepals present in the calyx are 3 and small, and calyx lobes are free, hence that is described as polysepalous. Arrangement of the sepal is free and valvate estivation is there. In some plants flower sepals are not flowers. In some plant flowers of this family, sepals are not distinct, they are very small, highly reduced. Let us see how is the corolla. In Annonaceae squamosa, petals are 3. Petals are thick, fleshy, green, and in Polyanthea, another plant of this family Annonaceae, Polyanthea, petals are 6 and that are arranged in 2 whorls. Estivation, that means arrangement of the petals. Estivation is valvate or imbricate. Thalamus is very large. It is the characteristic feature of Annonaceae squamosa. Thalamus is large and conical structure. Okay. And in the photograph, these are the petals of Annonaceae squamosa. Next. Let us see how is the ANDROECIUM. ANDROECIUM consists of stamens. There are many stamens are present in the flower and that are arranged. The stamens are arranged in the spiral manner, which are closely packed on the conical thalamus. As see example is Annonaceae squamosa. Filament of anther are very short and anther is dithecous, 2-celled. Connective of anther grows to form a hood-like structure at the top. A dehiscence of anther takes place longitudinally and anthers are extrorse. What is extrorse? The anthers release its pollen grains at the peripheral region of the flower. Okay. In Annonaceae squamosa, stamens are numerous, filaments shorter than anther, stamens free. Free stamens are described as polyandrous and anther lobes are very thick and connective tissue is broad. Face of the anther outward, hence extrorse. Anthers dithecous. Dehiscence of anther is transverse. These are the characteristic feature of Annonaceae squamosa. Let us see how is the gynoecium or female part of the flower in the plants of family Annonaceae. Carpels are many and they are free and closely associated on the conical thalamus in spiral manner. And such free carpels are described as apocarpous condition. Apocarpous. Okay. In taxonomic language. Okay. And in Monodora, it is name of the plant. Monodora, this plant occurs in Africa. The carpels are connate. Okay. In Alphonsia, one more plant. In Alphonsia, carpels are few in number and each carpel has ovary, style and stigma. Ovule of Annona is anatropous type. Okay. And in Annonaceae squamosa, style is short, stigma is simple, position of ovary is superior, type of ovule is anatropous, carpels many, carpels are free, hence it is described as apocarpous. Apocarpous condition occurs in Annonaceae squamosa. Each carpel unilocular and placentation, that is attachment of the ovule, that is marginal. Placentation is marginal. Let us see how is the fruit of this family Annonaceae. Fruit, Annona fruit is an aggregate fruit with free berries. Okay. Seeds endospermic. Photograph given here, it is the fruit of Annonaceae squamosa. Let us see the plants of family Annonaceae. Annonaceae squamosa, it is the botanical name of sitafal and in English it is called as custard apple. One more important plants of this family is Polyanthia longifolia. It is commonly known as Ashoka. And one more plant, it is Ramphal, and its botanical name is Annona reticulata. One more plant, Harichampa. It is name in Marathi Harichampa, and its botanical name is Artabotrys unicinatus. Okay, these are 4 plants shown here. There are many plants of this family, but only 4 written here. Okay, next. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth. No trees, no earth.